In this video, I will show you how to get the best discount on TubeBuddy subscriptions. Don't hesitate to like the video and subscribe. Here we go. Here I am on the official website of TubeBuddy.com, this extension which allows you to improve the management and development of your YouTube channel. The first step to get a discount on TubeBuddy is to go through my link below the video. You will find it either in the description or in the first pinned comment. This is a pre-activated link that will allow you to activate these bonuses. You will be automatically redirected to the TubeBuddy website. You will be able to select the subscription you wish to use at the beginning, either monthly or annually. I recommend the Legend subscription because it has all the features enhanced with AI that can help you grow your YouTube channel better. Then you just have to click on Select. Then you just need to log in with your Gmail account. And finally, you will come to the payment page. And there you can enter my exclusive promo code, It's Gummy Like This, which will allow you to have a discount on the price, as you can see. And to know that it is a lifetime discount, which will allow you to save a lot on your TubeBuddy subscription. Then you just have to fill in your payment information, and then to confirm the payment, and automatically you will unlock all the features of TubeBuddy. It was Gummy, ciao.